Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve today's POTD. Okay, so see first what is the question. This is the question n queens puzzle. We have to place n queen in the Tosan chessboard. What is the condition that no two queens attack on each other? So where queen attacks? Suppose there this in this white box, there one queen. So where this will attack? This will attack in this row, this column, this row, and diagonally. Okay. So what is the important part in the question? So the important part is how to check whether we can place queen here or not, knowing that they are queen. We have placed queen in other boxes. So let's solve this problem. Get good manner so that you will get good knowledge. So this is the now. So what I will do is I will solve this question I will write a state such a way that like this way. This is the n cross n chessboard. Suppose okay. So suppose we are currently in this row. Okay. What I am writing like I am creating an array name call. So what call of I represent? Call of I is column number of queen. Column number of queen in ith row. Which row? Ith row. We know that like queen attack in same column and same row, so we cannot place more than one queen in any row. So we will place queen over here, so we cannot place queen anywhere else in this row. So we'll in each row we will place only one queen. So I am saving the position of queen for each row. So suppose I have placed queen here. So now for the next row I will check whether I can place queen over here or not. Here I cannot place because it will attack. Here I can also cannot place attack here. And then here I can place no because this will attack here. No. Here this will attack so no. Here I can place. Here no. Here I can place queen here because so this is the one valid solution one. This one. This is one valid solution. So we have to know like what are the previous state like the previous position of queens. This is also important. That's why I'm keeping this as a you can say state for brute force. Okay. So like what I will do initially I am at row 0. So for each column like what for each row what are the options? This what these all columns are the possible options, right? So for column 1 to n, these are the possible cases where I can place. So now I will check whether I can place queen in this row and this column or not. So how check function will work? In check function, I will check the in all previous rows. Previous rows one 0 to 1 to I less than row. In whole previous row, the column. What is call I? Call I means the column number of queen in the ith row. Call 0 is let's 2 and here call 0 is call 1 is call 1 2. So call of 2 is 1 because in second row queen is placed on first column. So this way. So if in any row, any previous row, column is this. Let's say I am passing is saying it y and passing it to check I am accessing in x and y way. So if y, then we cannot press queen here. So return 0, right? So if the same column we cannot press that, we cannot press queen in the same column. So if any row has any row in any row we have placed queen in this column, so we cannot place in this column. So return 0. What are the other cases? Suppose we have placed queen here. So we can we place queen here? No, because this will attack. So what is the condition for diagonal attack? Absolute difference between row and absolute difference between column will be the same. So what is the condition? If absolute difference, this is the column number of ith row and this is the column number of current row. If absolute difference of this equal to absolute difference of this is the difference of column, this difference of row is I minus row. If this is equal, then also we cannot place queen here at x and y. So this will become 0. And otherwise, we are written true. Written 1 means we can place queen here. So this row here I mean x. Here you can do same thing x. This we are passing this as x and y. So this way we will check. What is the time velocity? This will n factorial. Okay, because here we have n options in this line. We will check for n mostly n options also, but it will be something like n less than n so n and minus one and minus two this way. So n factorial. Okay. So now let us explain the code and then submit. So this is the whole function. Whole I will the whole I. What is the whole I? Column number of queen in ith row. Okay. This is the answer. We have to save all possible. Okay. So we have cleared the call function call vector, answer vector, resize, and here I did zero indexing because so that I can directly push call into the answer, and then I will increase everything by one. So zeroth row. I am if I am in row number n means I have processed 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus means we have processed all n rows. So I am pushing the solution, pushing the call in the call vector in the solution and returning from here. Or if for any other row in between, like for this, let's say this row, let's say for this row, what I will do, I will check whether I can place queen like this. I will check for all possibilities for this. Here I'm calling function check row and C. And if I can place queen here, what I will do, I will just mark column of row is C, like column number of this row in C, and I will move to the next row. And this is my check function. This is check function. Here I am all previous rows. If any previous row has same column, then it has 0 and they are diagonally attacking. So if like this way, if any previous row I is the previous rows, any previous row starting from 0 to row minus 1, this and this have height and whole vertical and horizontally same height, then return 0. Otherwise return 1. So this is the way. So let me compile and check it's correct or not. Okay, this is the correct answer. Let me submit it. Okay, this is passed. So, thank you. Bye. I will add resources if required any in the comment section.